Helen's Corner. It is the season of tomato, and as I'm making my tomato paste, I want to carry you guys along. So come with me and see how I make my tomato paste. No color, no preservative, and no thickener. First process involved in making my tomato paste is selection of tomatoes. Now come with me to the market so you can see how I select my tomatoes.
Hello, good morning. We are in Akwata in Gariki. Morning. Okay. I was asking my styler, why did she go for the other ones? She was telling me that when you buy tomato, you don't just wash the up one, you watch everything. You watch the down. For some of it, they'll pack spoiled one down and come up and design it with fresh one.
Like she said, if you're going to buy a basket of tomato, you have to look at the bottom of the tomato to be sure that water is not coming out and those down are not spoiled, neither are they yellow, because most tomato sellers, because they want to make more profit, all they do is to pack a lot of spoiled tomato under the basket and then put the red ones on top of the basket. And when you buy this tomato paste, you are not going to enjoy them at all, because so many would be spoiled. After buying the tomato, you take it home, select it, wash it, blanch it if you want to, or remove the seeds if you want to, and then you now take it for grinding, or you use blender to grind it. But for me, I don't even remove any seed. I grind mine whole like that. Okay, that's after selecting. All right, once you've done it, you grind it and then you put it on fire. You don't let the water dry, you let it have this particular consistency. Reason I do this is so I will not need water when I want to fry the tomato. That's after some months when I will need it. Okay, right now I'm preparing the bottles. Normally you can buy these bottles. There are some that you can buy from the market that is new, but these ones are the bama I've used in the house. Also get this container from food vendors who sell salad in the market. Once you tell them over here in Nigeria, as at now it is sold at 15 naira per bottle, you buy it from them the quantity you need. For every 1 penta of tomato, you will need 2 of this bottle, or at times 2.5, depending on how watery your tomato is. After washing these bottles, I allow them to drain water completely. Okay, I did that even while the tomato is on fire, and after that I got the tomatoes and start pouring it inside these bottles. While doing that, I made sure that my hot water is already on the fire. I put as much water as will cover this bottle completely, as in the bottle will be totally immersed inside the water. Then I now started pouring my tomatoes and pepper, and after pouring them completely, I covered them and put them inside the pot. That I did not completely fill any bottle. Okay, so after doing that, my water is already on fire. I took the tomatoes and immersed them inside the pot and then boiled them until it is completely boiled. After getting boiled, I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes before opening it, and I brought out my tomatoes, and my tomatoes is ready for preservation. Guys, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. if you also want me to show you other ways I preserve my tomatoes, you drop it in the comment section so that next time I could make a video on that for you. Please preserve your tomatoes, because by April and May, tomatoes will be very difficult to buy in the market because it's going to be very, very expensive. Then by then, the little tomato you're able to get, you mix it with the one you already preserved yourself at home. Then you make stew for your family and will help manage our men's income. If you love this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. They may need it. And if you're new to this wonderful channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.